Hello everyone. In previous lecture I discussed De Morgan law and distributive law. In this lecture I am going to discuss some important result on number of elements in set. So write down the heading some important results. Some important results of element on number of elements in set. Right friend? Friends, I told you before cardinality concept. As you remember, as you know, what is the cardinality concept? If you take a set A, suppose then elements are 2, 6, 9, 10, 12, this one. If you want to count this set, so you can write down any equal to 5. It shows number of elements of set A, and this is called the cardinality of set A. Cardinality of set A. So cardinality defines on finite set only. As you know, cardinality defines finite set only, right? So what is the, now come to the important result. Let A and B are two finite set, then number of element of A union B is defined NA, number of elements of A, and B, number of elements of B, minus number of elements A intersection B. So this is most important result which are used in set for solving the questions. So NA union B equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. If, consider this one is first one, if A and B are disjoint, as you know the definition of disjoint set. So when A and B are disjoint, if this property is hold, A intersection B equal to 5. Means if A and B are disjoint set, it means A intersection B equal to 5. If A intersection B equal to 5, it means if you have to find the number of elements of this set, it means NA intersection B equal to 0. So number of elements of A intersection B equal to 0. Now put this value in equation 1, we get NA union B equal to NA plus NB. So friends, equation 1 reduces to this result. This result shows where A and B are disjoint set. So equation 1 reduces to this result, and this shows A and B are disjoint sets. If A and B are normal or two finite set, then you can use this result, and A union B equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. But if A and B are disjoint set, that means concept are using A intersection B equal to 5. If you find the number of elements of NA intersection B, it means number of elements of A intersection B, it means 0. Now you put this value in equation 1. Now you have to find NA union B equal to NA plus NB. So both results are too much important. And now if this is the first one, if we are taking only two sets, if we are taking three sets, suppose then let A, B and C are three finite set, then the result NA union B union C equal to NA plus NB plus NC minus NA minus NA intersection B minus NB intersection C minus N A intersection C plus NA intersection B intersection C. Friends, this result is for the three sets, and again if we are taking A, B, C are disjoint, then this result reduces to, if we are taking A, B, C are disjoint set, then this result, it means the intersection part of A intersection B, B intersection C, and A intersection C, and this one is whole A intersection B intersection C, number of elements are comes to 0. So now this equation 1 is reduces to NA union B union C equal to NA plus NB plus NC. Here A, B and C are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. If B and C are disjoint, it means if you have taken the intersection between A and B, B and C, and C and A, or three sets, then number of elements are should be 0. So the result of equation 1, it comes to NA union B union C, so reduces to NA plus NB plus NC. So this is the most important results. You have to learn this one. These results are very are too much used for solving the examples. Now I'm taking some examples. Look, you are solving the question are two methods. First one is you are using these results, or second one is using the Venn diagram. So this is depend on you which method you like. So which method you like. So you use both method if you want to practice. If you want to practice the examples, so you are using both results. Now taking some example, let question, if A and B are two sets such that NA equal to 17 and B 23, and given NA union of B equal to 38, the question is find NA intersection B. So you see here NA is given, NB given, NA union B given, or now you ask for NA intersection B. So using the formula, using the result, NA union B equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Put the all values here. 17 plus 23 minus, you have find this one, so you can take as it is, and this value is given is 38. Now solving this, NA intersection B comes here, and this one is 40 minus 38, and this one is comes 2. So number of elements of A intersection B is 2. So this is the example. Now taking second one example in language form, in a group of 800 people, 550 can speak Hindi and 450 can speak English how many can speak both Hindi and English, right? So question is that in a group of 800 people, 550 can speak Hindi, 450 can speak English, and asking question, how many can speak both languages, Hindi and English, right friend? So as your choice, if you want to solve this question for result using result, or if you want to solve this question by using Venn diagram. I'm using both method. So taking first method using result. So what given is here? Firstly write down the what is here information. So given that 800 peoples means 800 peoples, it means you have to given total values, and it means 550 can speak Hindi. It means I'm using Hindi for denoting H. NH given 550. 450 can speak English. It means I'm using E for English. 450. And given total, it means Hindi and English. Talk about the two language only, Hindi and English. That means Hindi union of English. Number of elements of Hindi union of English. It means given 800 people. And how many can speak both? It means both Hindi and English. It means you have to find NH intersection E. So firstly, using the first method, it means using the result. So write down the result in this form. NH union E equals to NH plus NE minus NH intersection E. Now put all the values in here. This one is 800 equal to NH is 550 and this one is 450, and this can be right as it is. So solving this one, this comes here. NH intersection E equal to 550 plus 450 minus 800. So solve this one. This comes to 1000 minus 800. It comes 200. So your answer is 200. It means how many can speak both Hindi and English? 200% can speak both Hindi and English. Now second method. This question solved by second method using Venn diagram. So friends, firstly make the universal set. Here universal set. So friends, here given set A, this is A, and given B, this is your B. A is show, this set is show the Hindi, and this show the elements of English. This show the English set, Hindi set, and this is English set. So what the information are given? So friends, here given number of NH union of E. It means this one is given whole. This given 800. This quantity is given 800. And NH equal to 550. NH equal to 550 means, friends, given that this one friends, this whole, this NH. This NH is given 550 and NE. It means this one given this one. This one given 450. It means this NH whole Hindi show 550 and this show whole 450 and total given 800. So friend, I want to know this one, this quantity. Question asks for this one, this common part. So total is 800. Green portion show 800 and NH is 550. N is 450. So if you want to solve this common portion, so what you do? You do total. You have to subtract NH NE from total. So 800 minus 550 plus 450, or this is a bigger value, so 550 plus 450 minus 800. So you got this common portion. So this is the common portion and it comes 200. So this is the Venn diagram of this question. So here you can find this value is 200, right? So you can solve both questions from both methods. Now I'm taking third example. Write down the question. In a group of 50 people 35 speak Hindi 25 speak both English and Hindi, and all the people speak at least one of the two languages. How many people speak only English and not Hindi? How many people speak English? Right? So friends, here asking two questions. First one is how many people speak only English, not Hindi? And second one is how many people speak English? So let's again repeat the question. What is the question? In a group of 50 people, 35 speak Hindi, 25 speak both English and Hindi, and all the people speak at least one of the two languages. How many people speak only English and not Hindi? And how many people speak English? Right, friend? So, friend, firstly, written what you have given. What given here? So, given that 50 people. 50 people means you have to given universal set is 50, or you can say Hindi and English combination. It means N Hindi H union of A is given 50. 35 speak Hindi. It means NH given 35. 25 speak both English and Hindi. It means NH intersection E given 25. And all the people speak at least one of the two language. How many people speak only English, not Hindi? It means question want to know. A question is you have to find people, you have to find people who are talking, who are speaking only in English, not Hindi. It means N E minus H. N E minus H. It is a set, different set. It is a set um, elements containing the elements which are belong only in E, not in H. It means this set shows only the person which are speaking only the only this set shows only the person who speak only English, not Hindi. So you have to find this one. And second one, how many people speak English. And second one, you have to find NE. NE. So friends, there are two methods. As I told you before, first one is using the result, and second one is you have to use Venn diagram. So solving both method. So first one is method 1, using results. So here, what is the result? What is the formula of this one? So you can make the formula NH union E equal to NH plus NE minus NH intersection E. So write down the all values, put all values. This one is 50, this one is 30. You have to find this one, so you can write this, and this value is 25. So solve this one. 50 equal to 35 plus 25 means, and this one is 60. This one is 60 35 plus 25. This one is 60 plus NE. So NE equal to 35 minus 25. 35 minus 25. So you can minus, this one is 35 minus 25, it means 10. Here is 10. So 50 minus 10 equal to NE. So this comes NE equal to 40. This one is 40. So this one is 10. So this is the value of NE. Means those person who are speaking English are 40. Now find this one, this value. So how to find this one value? NE minus H. If you write this one, so how to find this one? So friend, you have to find, if you find this one, so how to find this one? If you take all elements of NE and minus NE intersection H. N is your 40 and NE intersection H is your 25. So this value comes 15. So people speak only English, not Hindi, are 15. Now taking second method through Venn diagram. Taking second method, make the Venn diagram. So friend, make the Venn diagram. This one. This is your set of H, Hindi. This is English set. This is a universal set. Now, here you see this value is given. This one is given 50. Total is 50. This one is 50. Right? This one is 50. Now, this value is 50 and given NH is 35. It means this one is 35. Total is 35. And this one is and using this one. This one is given 25. Sorry, this one is, don't know about this one. What is this? What is the any? Don't know about the any. So here you can see, here you see you have the total value. It means you have all this values. This is 50, this is 50, and NH is 35, and this one is 35. So if you have all 50 and this one is 35, so you can have the value of this Ne minus H. So how can you find? If you write in here Ne minus H, it means you have to take the value. This is 50, this is total Ne union of H minus NH. So you can write Ne union H, it means total. Total is 80, total is 50. Total is 50 minus NH. NH is given 35. So you can take here, this value comes 50 minus 35, it means 15. So you can take in another way and find the result. So this value comes, this value comes 15, and this, and your first one method you have also find the 15. Now if you take, now you have find the any, total any. So friends, here you see this part show, this part show 15, and this intersection part is given 25. So if you want total any, so you can write any equal to Ne minus H plus add Ne intersection H. So you can write here Ne minus H, it means this is a 15 and this value is given 25. So if you write and add both values, so you got 40. So here Ne equal to 40. So see, you can find in any way, any, you are free, you are using any method, you can find same result, same answers. So if you want to use result method, so you can remember the result all. If you want to use diagram, Venn diagram, so you can through Venn diagram you can also write down all the result using the method which are you are taking results, taking all methods. You have to write all methods using way you to find the value, so you can write all the result also in here. So this is all about the Venn diagram. Now I am taking some, now I'm taking the next example for 3 set. So write down the question. A college awarded 38 medals in football, 15 in basketball, and 20 to cricket. If these medals went to a total of 58 men and only 3 man got three men got medals in all the three sports. How many received how many received received medals in exactly two of the three sports. Three sports. So it is given that a college awarded 38 medals in football. It means NF equal to 38. F denote the set of men who received medal in football, and basketball is 15. It means NB equal to 15. B is a set of men who received medal in basketball, and NC equal to 20. It means a man who received medals in cricket. And other information are total of 58 man. It means NF union B union C equal to 58. And another information, and only 3 men got medals in all the three sports. It means intersection common part is 3. It means NF intersection B intersection C is given 3. Now using the formula of 3 set, what is this? NF union B union C equal to NF plus NB plus NC minus NF intersection B minus NB intersection C minus NC intersection F plus NF union B intersection B intersection C. So put all values in here. So what you get? So this value is given 58. So write down 58 equal to NF is given 38, NB is given 15, NC is given 20, and these values are not given, so you can write this one as it is. As it is, and this common value is given is 3. So you can find these values. So what you get? You can write F intersection B plus N B intersection C plus NC intersection F is equal to 58, and join these values. This comes here 20 plus 15 plus 38. It means 73, and plus 3, and it means 76. And this value comes to here, and this value comes to here. It means 70. This value comes. This is minus 58, and this one is 76. So you can write this one is 76 minus 58. So you have 18. So this values of football persons who awarded. So this quantity shows the number of men received who received medal in at least two sports, and this gives the total number of men who received the medal is comes to 18. But here you have to find the exactly how many received medal in exactly two of the three sports. So what I do, so you have the total number of men who received the medal is 18, and now you have also the information only 3 men got medal in all the three sports. So their information is only 3 men got medal in all three sports. It means this value is given to 3, and because here is three sports. First one is football, basketball and cricket. So I have take 3 times of number of man got medals all of the three sports, so 3 times, and there is a total number of man who received the medal, so it comes 18. So now subtract them. 18 minus 3 into 3 times, it comes 9. So we got number of men who received medal exactly 2 of the 3 sports. So friends, this is all about your number of elements in sets. So I have taken so many questions. So this is all about result on this is all about the examples on based on number of elements in sets. Thank you.